Hello, it's Tuesday the 9th of February and welcome to the morning maths answers. Question number 1, we've got to take 234 away from 629. So what we'll do, because we're doing this in our heads, we will do this in 3 steps. So 629, first of all, take away 200 is going to be 429. Okay, so that's taken away the 200. Now we'll take away 30, so 629 take away 30. Well, we can see that's going to take it just below 400. So the answer to that will be 399. Okay, so 429 take away 30 is 399, and then finally we'll take another 4 away from that, so that leaves us with 395. So 629 take away 234 is 395, and that's the answer for that part of the question. The next one, 734, hopefully you can straight away see that this is actually going to be quite straightforward. So let's first of all take away 734, let's take away the 200, so let's take away the 2, which leaves us with 534. Okay, now we need to take away the 30. We don't really need to do this, but I'm just going through it anyway. Take away the 30, which leaves us with 504, and finally we need to take away the 4, which leaves us with 500, just exactly 500. Okay, so hopefully some of you will have noticed that we've got a 34 there and we've got a 34 there, and so that's why we've got an exact round number for 500. Pardon me. Question number 2. We're multiplying by 12, so what we have to do here is multiply by 10 and then multiply by 2 and then add them together. Okay, so 24 multiplied by 10 is of course 240. I was giving you the answer straight away there. So we've got 240, 4, there we go, and then 2 times 24 is 48, just there, and if we add that together, 240 plus 48 is 288, 288. So the answer for that one is that. The next part of this question, 46 times 12. Well, the first part of it is 460. That's a little bit big, isn't it? 460, and the second part is multiplied by 2. So 2 times 46, or 2 40s are 80, 2 6s are 12, so that's 92. So add 92. So 460 add 92, which is 552. So 5, 5, and a 2, like that. Okay, 29 now multiplied by 12. So the first part is always nice and straightforward. That's 290, and then 29 times 2 is 58, 5 and an 8. That's a bit more tricky. You might need to work on try that out on your whiteboard. So 290 plus 58 is 348. So 3, 4 and an 8 just there. Okay, and then the next question is 26. So 26 times 12. So we have 260. And then 26 times 2. Remember, when we multiply by 12, we multiply by 10 first and then by 2. So 26 times 2 is 52, 5 and a 2. And then 260 plus 50 is 310, plus 2 is 312. So 3, 1, 2 goes just there. Question final part of this question is 28. So 280 multiply, and then 28 times 2, well 28 times 2 is 56, 5 there, 6 there, and then we add them together, 280 plus 56 is 336, 3, 3 and a 6, 336 goes there. Question number 3. Divide these numbers by 100. Well, if you remember, when you're dividing pounds by 100, the answer is whatever the number is, but in pence. Okay, so 16 pence and 17 pence. And the reason why it's exactly the same number but in pence is because there are 100 pence in a pound. Okay. Next question. Subtract 214 centimeters from 5 meters 49 centimeters. Now I'm going to have to do a little subtraction with decomposition here. So 549, take away 214, 214. This isn't too bad actually. This is turning out to be quite easy in fact. So 9 take away 4 is 5, and then 4 take away 1 is 3. There we go. And then 5 take away 2 is also 3. So 335. The answer is 335, and we're working in centimeters. Obviously, please don't forget to write the centimeters down for these sorts of questions. Okay, so that's question number 4 done. Question, let's just get some space. So question number 5, 3.5 kilograms minus 649 grams. Now remember, this is the slightly tricky bit. 3.5 kilograms is 3,500 grams, 3500, and 649 grams. So you put the 6 in the hundreds column, the 4 in the tens column, the 9 goes in the ones column, and then it's ready for subtraction with decomposition. Use a different color pen. So, okay, the only tricky bit really here is that we have to exchange. We can't go to the tens to exchange. We have to go to the hundreds. So that becomes a 4. And if you take away 100, you get 10 tens. And now those 10 tens, we will exchange one of those. So now we're left with only 9 tens. And that will be 9 tens. And then this becomes 10 on this side, on the one side. So we've got 10 ones. Okay. So now we've got 10 minus 9, which is 1. We've got 9 minus 4, which is 5, and we've got 4. Interestingly, 4 minus 6. So 4 minus 6 you can't do. So we exchange from here. So this is now 2, and remember, one of these is worth 10 of these. So 4 add 10 is 14. So the 1 goes there. So 14 take away 6 is 8, and then 2 take away nothing is 2. So we've got 2,851 grams, which is nearly 3,000 grams, which is nearly 3 kilograms. Okay, I'll make some more space so that we don't get confused with the perimeter question, which is the last one. Okay, so we've got millimeters and centimeters, so once again we're going to have to convert. So let's make this 80 millimeters and cross out that, and this is now 70 millimeters. Okay, right, so vertically, if that long line is 70 and that short line is 19, then this slightly longer line is going to be 19, add 1 is 20, and then add 50 makes 70. So let's just check that out, see if that sounds right. So 51, so this line is 51 and this is 19. 51 at 19 is 70, and I'm happy with that. So horizontally, we've got this line at the bottom. So we've got something, we don't know what that is, and we've got this line here, which is 39 millimeters, and we've got this line here, which is 80 millimeters. Okay, so 39 and 80. Well, if that were 40 and 80, that will be 120. So take one away, 119. So this question mark is 119. Okay. And once again, I think I'm going to start with this corner here, but I'm going to do addition with carrying. So let's start with 70 at the top, and then we've got 80, and the next number is 51, and the next number is 39, and then we've got 19, and then we've got 119, 119, one, put a one there, and 19. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers, 6 dimensions. So therefore that looks okay. And now add them all up. Whoops. Okay, so 0, 0, 1 add 9 is 10, add 9 is 19, add 9 is 28. So we've got an 8 there, carry the 2. 7 add 8 is 15, 7 and 8 is 15, and 5 is 20, that's good, 20. 20 add 3 is 23, 24, 25, 27. So that's a 7, and put the 2 just there, and we've got that's 100 plus 2 more there from carrying, so that's 378. And now what I will do is I will I'll do it in my head just to see if I can confirm that. So 70 there, add 80 is 150, 70 add 80, yes, add 51 is 201, add 39, 201, that's 240, 240, plus 19 is 259, 259, 359, 369, 378. Yes, good, I'm pleased with that. Okay, hopefully no mistakes this time. Bye bye.